we're going to explain how to downgrade your Python version within a virtual environment. This is crucial because it lets you isolate different project dependencies without affecting your system's main Python installation. The process involves several steps, and we'll cover them one by one. 1. Check existing Python versions. First, you need to identify which Python versions are already installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Python version and Python 3 version, or Py version, depending on your system. This will show you the versions currently available. Note down the versions available, particularly the ones you might consider using for downgrading. It's also important to check which Python versions are available in your system's package manager, like apt, yum, or brew, depending on your operating system. This will help you identify suitable versions for download. 2. Create or activate a virtual environment. If you don't already have one, create a virtual environment for your project. This is the safest way to manage Python versions and packages. Use the command python3 environment underscore name. Replace environment underscore name with a name for your environment, for example, my underscore env. Once created, activate the environment by navigating to the environment directory, cd environment underscore name, and running the activate script. On Linux, Mac OS, this is usually source environment underscore name /bin /activate. On Windows, it's environment name /scripts activate. 3. Download the desired Python version. Find a suitable Python version from the official Python website, python.org. Download the installer for your operating system. Make sure it matches your system's architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. 4. Install the downgraded Python version. Run the downloaded installer. During the installation, make sure you do not overwrite your system's default Python installation. The installer should allow you to choose the installation location, ensuring it's not interfering with the already existing Python version on your system. Often, you will be asked to select an installation location. If it's not offered, choose the default location and make a note of it. 5. Optional. Update the virtual environment's Python path. In some cases, after installing a new Python version, your virtual environment might not automatically pick up the new version. If after activating your virtual environment, running Python version still shows the old version, you might need to manually point the virtual environment to the new Python executable. This often involves modifying the write single quote pyvenv.cfg write single quote file within your virtual environment, changing the home path to the location where you installed the new Python version. This is usually not needed if the installation happens in a standard location. 6. Verify the downgrade. Once everything is set up, activate your virtual environment again and run Python version. You should now see the downgraded Python version displayed. Try installing a package using pip install package underscore name to verify that everything is working as expected within your newly configured Python environment. If this works without issues, you have successfully downgraded Python within your virtual environment. Remember to always work within a virtual environment to avoid conflicts with other projects and your system's default Python